Hello students, welcome to YourPedia Global. I am Jitendra Tyagi and I am a mentor of Quantitative Aptitude section for your GRE preparation. Okay, so now we all know that we have started one series, that is GRE 5 Quant Series, in which we take 5 important questions from different sections, okay, of GRE syllabus, and this is our second lecture of that series. Right now we are going to discuss 5 questions, and in future also we will conduct many such classes, right. So we will cover the entire syllabus of GRE exam with the help of these questions, and these questions are going to be really very helpful to give you an idea about what type of questions are asked in GRE exam, and okay, what are the different topics. So many things you will learn from these lectures, right, and you will also get a good collection of questions with the help of these videos. Okay, so you have to watch each video and solve all the problems. Okay, so now let us take our questions and discuss what are the methods for solutions of those questions. So this is GRE 5 Quant Series, right, and lecture number 2. So lecture number 1 is already available on our YouTube channel. You can see in the playlist lecture number 1 available for. Okay, now come to this question number 1. So what you have to do, just read the question and try to solve it yourself first, okay, and then watch my solution after that. First of all, you have to try yourself. Okay, so now I am going to explain the solution of this question. Remember, in GRE exam there is a possibility that you may get such question, okay, in which they will define some operation like A has B. Okay, so we don't have any function has, okay, any operation in our daily life, but they have defined it. Now they are using plus symbol here, so this plus is normal plus, normal addition, and 3a, so normal product of 3 and a. Okay, so they have defined some new functions using some symbols, and then they want to compute some values. Okay, so here a has b is 1 upon 3 into a plus b. This is a rule. A at b is 2 into a minus b. Okay, this is the rule. So then what will be the value of this, right? So 2 at 1, okay, here we need to compute 2 at 1, this is to be computed. So what is 2 at 1? Using this formula, this will be equal to 2 multiplied by 2 or minus 1, or equal to 4 minus 1, 3. So this is 3. Okay, now next is 3 has 4. 3 has 4. So using this relationship, we have to compute this 3 has 4. Okay, so 3, this symbol has 4 is equal to okay, so we have 3 has 4, 3, then has symbol, then 4 equal to 1 divided by 3 into 3, okay, because this a is 3 here, okay, and plus 4, so equal to 1 upon 13. Okay, so this is 3 and this is 1 upon 13. Now we have to add both these numbers. So we will get 3 plus 1 upon 13 equal to 40 upon 13. So this C is the right answer in this question. So this is a simple approach which you have to remember. They may use any new defined functions. Now let us see our second question. and all questions are actually based on the pattern of GRE exam, right? Okay, we will not make unnecessarily tough questions, we will not make unnecessarily easy questions, we will follow GRE pattern, right? So now just read this question and try to find out the solution, and they're saying that indicate all. So indicate all means you have to identify all correct answers. So it means in GRE exam you may get questions where more than one options may be correct, multiple options may be correct. Okay. So just pause the video and solve this problem and then watch my solution, match your answer. So it is given that 4x square is equal to 36y square. Okay. Now which of the following must be true? Indicate all, right? This is true. Now for this to be true, which of the following must be true? Okay. इनमें से कौन सा compulsory true होना चाहिए for this to be true? Okay. So we can write x square equal to 9y square. This is a must. भाई 4 से 36 को कैंसिल कर सकते हैं ना. So x square equal to 9y square. This is a must condition. Okay. It must be true for this to be true. If this is not true, then this cannot be true. Okay. Now this can be written as x square minus 9y square equal to 0. So for this to be true, this must be true. Okay. So B is one of the right answers. Okay. We must have this relationship. Without having this relationship, this situation we cannot get this situation. Okay. Now what are the other options? We have, always remember this important condition, that if a square is equal to b square, okay, then modulus of a is definitely equal to modulus of b. Okay, modulus of a is definitely equal to modulus of b. Remember this. So here we can write that modulus of x must be equal to modulus of 3y. Okay, or this is just 3 modulus of y. So this is also a must condition. So C is also one of the right answers. This must be true. Okay. Now if we have a square equal to b square, then we may have a equal to b or a equal to minus b. So now this a equal to b is not a necessary condition, because if this is not true but this is true, then also we can get this. So this is not a must condition for this to be true. If this is not true, even then we can have this true if this situation is true. Okay, so this is, most of the students may have written this as a correct answer, but no, because we have to identify the must be true condition. So this is not the must be true condition, because if we don't have, if x is not equal to 3y, if x is not equal to 3y but x is equal to minus 3y, then also we can get this relation true. Okay, so without this we can get this true. So this is not a must condition. Okay, now this is not a must condition because no use. Okay, this is not satisfying this equation. So here B and C are the final answers. Okay, we will tick these two options in exam. So now one conclusion I want to make, that in GRE exam this conceptual clarity is very important, which they have used here. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने ये मिस्टेक किया होगा कि उन्होंने इसको भी करेक्ट आंसर लिया होगा, बट रीड द स्टेटमेंट केयरफुली. ओके, सो नाउ कम टू द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. So here you have to identify the Correct answer, most appropriate answer, area of the circle having diameter x. So this is a mixture of mensuration problem, circle, we have rectangle, we have triangle. All the three geometrical figures have been mixed in this problem. So in GRE exam, you can note down that a circle is very important. Area of rectangle, triangle, squares, okay, all these areas are very important. Parallelogram is also very important. And then we have volume also important, like volume of cuboid, volume of cube, volume of cylinder. These are important. Volume of sphere. These all are important for GRE exam. Okay. So now I am going to solve this problem. You can pause the video. You can solve this and then further watch the solution. So this is a right angle triangle, right? This is 10 hypotenuse. This is 8. So clearly, using the Pythagoras triplet, this is going to be 6. Okay, this is 6. Now, this one. So if this is x, this is 2. So this is x, this is 2. Rectangle. Okay. So right angle triangle and rectangle shown below have the same perimeter. So what is the perimeter of this triangle? Perimeter means sum of the sides. So 10 plus 6 plus 8. 24 is the perimeter of this. Okay. So this 24 is equal to perimeter of this rectangle. We know that perimeter of the rectangle is twice of L plus B. So x plus 2. Okay. So 2 से cancel करेंगे 12. So x equal to 10. It gives us x equal to 10. Now if diameter of a circle is x means 10. If diameter is 10, then obviously its radius is half of the diameter. So radius is 5. And if radius is 5, then what is the area of the circle? Area of the circle is pi r square. So it is 25 pi. So C is going to be the right answer in this question. Now let us move to the next question. So here you have to make a change. This is a marble, okay? We are talking about marbles. Just think about the solution of this problem. Probability is also important. Simple conceptual problems from probability they can ask in GRE exam. Okay, so now let us discuss the solution of this problem. A bag contains 4 white, 3 black, 2 red, 5 green marbles, right? 2 marbles are drawn from the bag. What is the probability that second marble drawn will be red if replacement is not allowed? Means they are drawing 2 marbles, first marble and then second marble, okay? And they are not putting back the first marble. After drawing the first marble, they are not putting it back into the box, okay, or bag. Okay, they are throwing it outside. So this is the condition of not replacement. Okay, replacement is not allowed without replacement. So we want probability that second marble is red. No statement about the first marble. So you have to think about all the cases where you can get second red marble. First may be any. Okay. So one situation is that we get a first white. Okay, first white and second red marble. So this will give us the desired event. Okay, so this is the favorable event. Or if this is not the condition, then what is the another possibility to get the second red? So if we have first black, okay, first black and second red, so this is another possibility. Okay, or if this is also not the case, then how we can get the second red? So first red and second red, first red and second red. Okay, or first green and second red. So these all are mutually exclusive events actually. If this one is true, these three are not going to be true. Okay, so these are mutually exclusive. And or means plus. Whenever we have mutually exclusive events, probability of union, probability of or is probability of plus of individual events. Okay, so we will add the probability of this plus probability of this plus probability of this plus probability of this. और का मतलब क्या होता है प्लस, ठीक है ना. अगर ये म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव इवेंट है देन वी विल ऐड. So now probability of first white and second red. So and means product, multiplication rule we are going to use here. Okay, so now first white, how many white balls are there? 4 white. So first white means 4 upon total balls are 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 14. So 4 upon 14 into, now suppose first ball drawn is white, it is thrown outside. Now second red, so we have 2 reds, so 2 upon 13. Okay, this is the probability of this event using the multiplication rule. Or means plus, then plus. Now first black, so first black means 3 upon 14 into second red, so 2 upon 13, or plus first red, so 2 upon 14 into first red removed and thrown outside. Now again second red, so now we have only one red, so 1 upon 13, or plus now first green, so 5 upon 14, or into second red, first green and second red. So second red means 2 upon 13. Okay, so now this 2 will cancel this, so we will get 7. So this is 4 upon 91 plus again 2 into this 7 times, so 3 upon 91, or plus 1 upon 91, or plus 5 upon 91 equal to 91 in the denominator. So in the sum we have 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5, 13. So 13 upon 91 is going to be 1 upon 7. You must have the knowledge of all the basic tables. To save your time, you must be good in tables. Remember the tables up to 20 at least. Okay. So 1 upon 7 is the right answer, option number A. And you have to prepare basic concepts of probability because they will ask questions from probability. Now come to next question number 5. So this is from coordinate geometry, and coordinate geometry is also important in GRE exam. Basic concepts of coordinate geometry they generally ask. So just recall the formula. Okay, don't look for the formula somewhere. Think that whether you remember this basic formula or not. If you don't remember, you have to revise, you have to prepare all the basic formulas of coordinate geometry, right? Like distance formula, section formula, different forms of straight lines. Okay, all these things you have to prepare. Slope of a line, angle between two lines, all these things are important for GRE exam. So now if we have a straight line passing through any point x1 comma y1 and having slope m. Okay, we have a line passing through x1 y1 and slope m. So what is the equation of such line? It is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, so here this is the point 1 comma minus 2. So x1 y1. So y minus minus 2 equal to slope minus 4. So minus 4 into x minus 1. So y plus 2 equal to minus 4x or plus 4. So we get 4x plus y or equal to 2. This is the required equation of the straight line. So A is the right option here. So students, we have discussed these 5 questions in this video, and please watch my previous video also, that is available on our YouTube channel. And in next video, lecture number 3, we will discuss again 5 different questions from different chapters of this GRE syllabus. Okay, so those who are willing to join higher education courses in any good university abroad, and where GRE score is very important, and not only in outside India, in India also, in many IIMs they accept GRE score. So you must prepare for GRE exam, and then you must get a good score. Okay, and in getting a good score in GRE exam, these videos and my classes are going to be helpful, very helpful. Okay, so please follow. All the best.